The problem is to measure exactly 4 liters using only the 5-liter jug and a 3-liter jug. The rules allow only filling a jug completely, emptying a jug entirely, or pouring water from one jug to the other. Start by filling the 5-liter jug completely, so it contains 5 liters and the 3-liter jug is empty. Pour water from the 5-liter jug into the 3-liter jug until the smaller jug is full, leaving 2 liters in the 5-liter jug. Empty the 3-liter jug completely to make it ready for the next transfer. Pour the remaining 2 liters from the 5-liter jug into the empty 3-liter jug. Fill the 5-liter jug completely again to have 5 liters in it and 2 liters in the 3-liter jug. Pour water from the 5-liter jug into the 3-liter jug until the smaller jug is full, which leaves exactly 4 liters in the 5-liter jug. Now, the 5-liter jug contains exactly 4 liters, achieving the goal. Start with both jugs empty. Fill the 5-liter jug, then pour into the 3-liter jug. Empty the 3-liter jug and transfer the remaining 2 liters into it. Fill the 5-liter jug again. Pour into the 3-liter jug until it is full. Exactly 4 liters remain in the 5-liter jug.